How to link CapCut from your mobile to your computer. So in this video, I'll show you how you can sync your different CapCut projects between two different devices. Now, first thing you need to do is make sure you're signed in to the same CapCut account on both your phone and also your computer. So right now I'm on my laptop, and in the top left-hand side, you need to make sure that this account in the top left-hand side, make sure this is the same account that you're signed into on your phone. So you can always click on this switch account button if you need to, and this will let you switch between your different accounts. Now, once you're signed into the same account on both of your devices, you'll be able to see the CapCut homepage like this. Now, this is basically where all of your local files are saved. So any CapCut projects at the moment will only be saved to this particular device. Now, it's also the same on your phone as well. So if I come over to CapCut on my phone, you could then click on projects at the bottom of this page, and basically any of your projects here will be saved locally onto your iPhone. Now, in order to share and sync your projects between devices, you'll see this option here at the top called Spaces. So if you go and click on this, this is essentially the cloud where you can share projects between the devices. So let's come back over to our computer, and you can see we have the same thing here. So on the screen, here is all our local files. But if you come down on the left-hand side, you'll see Spaces. Go and click on this, and this will show you all of your projects that are synced between your two devices. So any projects or videos you want to send between your computer and your iPhone, you'll need to upload them to this space here. Now, you can do that just by coming back to your Home tab. You can then go and right-click on the project you want to sync and click on the Upload button. Go and select your space from the list and just click on Upload. Now, once you've done this, click on Spaces in the left-hand side, and then you'll need to wait a few minutes until it uploads into this project here. Now, make sure it's completely finished uploading, and then you can head back over to your phone, and any of your synced projects will show up in this Spaces tab on your iPhone. So you may need to go and refresh the page in order for them to appear. You can also upload projects from your phone to be synced over to your computer as well. So let's come back over to the local tab. You can click on the three horizontal dots next to the project you want to share, and then you can press upload to space, and then you can just go and upload this video to share it to your computer. Once it's been uploaded, head back over to your PC. If you come back over to Spaces on the left-hand side, you'll be able to find all of your shared projects from your phone to your computer.